Hi, Martin Boeddeker here, and welcome to another Groove.cm review. Currently, they're having their Groove.cm Premium Lifetime Deal for sale. So essentially, if we click here, we can see that they're having their holiday sale, which ends at the end of December. And on this page here, you can get both Groove.cm and Groove.ai Lifetime accounts for a discounted price here. So there's many different ways there. But the reason that I created this video was actually because recently I saw this email here from Igor Keifertz, and when he essentially promoted this free ticket here to sign up for the digital marketing revolution. And what really piqued my interest was that I saw immediately that all of this was built on Groove. So if you want to see how powerful Groove.cm is right now and GrooveFunnels is right now, it's best to look at a live campaign, because Igor is definitely one of the biggest email marketers in the world to promote affiliate products. And this means there has been a lot of traffic going through this page, and all of this was built on Groove.cm. So this essentially allows us to get an overview of how Groove.cm works for major business like the digital marketing revolution here. So if we click to reserve our seat, essentially we get to select a seat with GrooveWebinar. So this is the GrooveWebinar interface here. So let's put in something here like Martin Boeddeker and then business newsletter 1.3, which was my newsletter email. And then I do not put in a phone number, but I think that will work as well. They connected it with Trillia or something like this. But if we click register now, we are basically registered for their event. And now we get forwarded to here in the browser. We can see it, the thank you page of GrooveWebinar. And then here there is someone talking. I do not like Matthew here is talking here inside the Groove video. We can see the Groove color here, and then we can add this to our calendar, or we can join the event right now, which will direct us to the Groove webinar live room, and the webinar then will start in about 3 minutes, and that's when the actual sales presentation will start. So this gives us a rough overview of how GrooveWebinar works. Again, like this whole page and the page before was built with GrooveWebinars and Groove Pages, and this really shows that how this works. And if we have a look at our email, so I signed up like a couple of days ago, like 5 days ago here. We can see that they're using Groove.cm here to send their emails as well. So they are currently using SendGrid because Groove Mail still does not work that well with their own SMTP. This is something that they are still working on and getting fixed. But we can see here that essentially the whole email was used with Groove Mail, and then essentially this redirects us to another page. Again, remember the webinar was already there. There's a countdown timer, so they do not have like full deadline capabilities yet. So because like the timer is still set to 2 days or something like this. But essentially we can see Groove Video is used on this page to play the movie. They are following their own points here, like basically giving a full breakdown of what we will essentially see inside the movie. And then if we scroll down, we see that they're promoting a product that I do not know anything about. I just saw that it's on Groove, but it's called Life is a Beach. And then there's some typical sales copy here. And then if we click yes, I want to start that, we get to this page here of the digital marketing revolution. And then here the Groove Sell widget is loading, and we can here buy access to this product. And we can see here it's powered by GrooveSell. We are using Igor Keifert's affiliate link, so this tracks correctly. So everything is working inside this program. So essentially what I wanted to do and show you in this GrooveCM, GrooveFunnels review, show you a live demo of how this is used by an actual like bigger marketer in their business. They're running the complete GrooveCM. They're using the complete platform. It's working, and I think especially if we have a look at here my bonuses. So I'm an affiliate for GrooveFunnels, and I saw recently that I got a lot more traction with GrooveFunnels. It's converting after they announced their Black Friday deal, and then they turned the Black Friday deal into a holiday deal, which means I have a lot of bonuses here. Like you can see what I offer to become one of the biggest affiliates for GrooveFunnels or GrooveCM now. And then here, like I did not update this page, so for a while because Groove lost traction, but here you can still see what you get access to. And I recommend to watch some of my other videos if you really want to get access to or know the state of Groove currently after they fired their development team, hired a new development team, their new timeline and everything. But essentially what I really want to emphasize is that Groove is getting a lot of traction again, and this is why I'm also creating like this kind of Groove reviews for you, this and then tell you about the holiday savings, because we really do not know if this timer is legit. Mike talked about that they really want to turn to recurring subscription, and I do think that they will do this in 2024. But currently in the last State of the Groovian, Mike Filsaime said that they're still refactoring the code, that they're still figuring or like deleting or getting rid of some bugs inside the platform, and that they will have at least the core features of Groove Pages, Groove Mail, Groove Sell and everything ready by June 2024. But they're currently not selling just GrooveCM. They also have this holiday deal for Groove.ai, so you can get both inside as a special deal for 2 payments of $8.99. Here, if you grab this deal, or you can basically get the premium. This is the complete deal here, or you can get just Groove.ai or just GrooveCM for the lowest price that they ever offered. And I think really this is a fantastic deal, essentially because you're getting unlimited contacts. You can import up to 100,000 contacts into this CM. So even if you're just getting this as a backup to your current system, it's definitely worth it. And when it comes to Groove.ai, I really like the platform. I created a couple of reviews about this, but this is a software that I'm really using in my business because it really makes the flow so much easier. So if we see here, now go back to the Groove webinar, again, we can see that the countdown now expired. Here we can see some, like this is probably like a fake number of attendees. Not that many people watch this right now, but we can see the chat is loading, that we have clicked tap to play, and then this movie will play. We are not able to stop this here, so it's actually pretending to be a live webinar, even though, because it's a movie, we know it's pre-recorded. We can stop the tone here, and then not sure if we can ask questions. So they disabled the chat. Oh no, I can type into the chat and send the. I cannot send this here, so I think they turned off the chat here. Oh no, here it is. So I'm not sure if they will monitor this, but essentially it shows that the platform is actually working. The movie is actually really great. I learned a couple of things there, because they have like really renowned experts in the movie, like Jay Abraham and Jason Flatley, and people that I really like. So it's definitely worth watching. I will put a link there as well into the description. And if we go to my affiliate dashboard, we can also go to tools and then to promotions and links. And here we can also find the affiliate link for the digital marketing revolution. It's probably in the marketplace. This is where I find this, and then I signed up for the digital marketing revolution, and here I can get my affiliate links. So you can see they're using this. They have different pages here, all built on GrooveFunnels, so we can have a look. I never had a look at this before, so let's see the lab bundle sales page, what they have here. Let's have a look at the affiliate page here. Probably they have included the widget there. Here, like this is a long form sales letter, and then here some other experts here. These are mainly from Groove, and then some bonuses here, and then this is a different product, I guess. I'm not 100% sure, but it's still a $500 product. So I do not really know. I did not do any research about this product itself, but again, here we can see this is the page there that we saw, and these are the people that they interviewed: Jason Flatley and Stefan Georgi, like copywriting expert, like really well-known people. John Benson and Rich Sheffran, Perry Belcher, Alex Hamosi. So yeah, definitely Jay Abraham, like super valuable movie there. Really interesting movie. And one thing that I did not point out so far, and this gives me hope about Groove in general, is that they are much more active when it comes to live stream and publishing videos again. They have the white label version for Groove.ai coming out in January. There will be a couple of updates about Groove.ai. There's 4 different training sessions scheduled at the time of recording. So one at December 14th and 15th, and then 21 and 22. So there's lots happening at the company. I'm really excited about for the future, and I think over time this software will really pay off, especially if you get either the bundle for 2 payments of $8.99, or just like separately GrooveCM, great system, or like Groove.ai, which is really a fantastic copywriting platform. I really like the UI and interface, so I will probably create a couple of more videos about this, about like what to think about the Groove white label option and things like this. But what I wanted to do in this video is essentially give you an overview of what Groove actually looks like in a real campaign, showing you that major marketers are using this to promote and sell their products. And I hope you find this valuable. And if you want to sign up for Groove, I definitely recommend to check out my my page here, my Groove bonus page. As you can see here, it's built on Groove pages, and this complete page was building their platform. So you see it's looking really well designed. I really like this design. I used one of their templates there, and again, I think it's a great landing page builder already. GroovePay, I generated over $100,000 with Groove so far. Processed that through GroovePay. Or through Groove Sale, so to speak. I have it connected with Stripe and PayPal. But essentially what I wanted to say is it's a great deal, and definitely make sure to grab it. If you get it before the end of the deal before the end of December, you can definitely use this or see this as an investment into your business in the future. You can write this off as a tax expense at the end of the year here, and I think it personally will pay off, just like I invested with Mike into Webinar Jam and Ever Webinar when the software launched, and they are still like some of the best tools for running webinars as well. Same with Kartra when it launched, still a fantastic software as well. So I'm really looking forward to seeing you getting my bonuses, to receiving your email that you upgraded to GrooveCM, because I think this platform has a fantastic has a fantastic future, and that it will definitely be able to compete with ClickFunnels and Kajabi and Kartra in 2024 and beyond. So thank you for watching, and I'm looking forward to seeing you inside the next video.